I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
Is it me or these hoes just average? Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. Is it the way that I wear these glasses? Met him on April 6th. Got a 15, bought me a pack. I heard he be hard on bitches. Shit, I made him fall in love with the sex.
Yay! La 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 la. Y'all, we looking real frosty. My daddy done went to the store and he gone again. Y'all, this is so beautiful. La 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 la. Oh, y'all, I'm having a blast, honestly. This is so beautiful. Okay, hey y'all, so as I can see, it's snowing outside. I really don't know what this vlog is going to consist of as of yet, but right now I'm just sitting here gonna watch my show. And I miss my hot chocolate. Yeah, but I'm watching. No, don't fall. I figured it would do that. Okay, right now I'm watching Night Agent. Good. Okay, vlog, so I know I look crazy, but like I've been saying, I really don't know what I want this vlog to be at. Like, I really don't know. I don't know. I really don't even know if I want to do a vlog, but we just kind of recording to see where it's going to take us. Right now I'm finna go to the beauty supply store because I got a client to do at 3:30, and it's like 2 something right now, so it might just look terrible. Ignore it, but that's what I got going on. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. So I'm finna try to do a wig install. I kind of got tired of doing a vlog, so we're finna do something else. I'm finna go to the beauty supply store. Not gonna vlog that because like this is my third time going this week, and I'm really tired of it. Like, I'm really getting fed up, but I always have to go. So I'm finna install this curly wig that I got. I only wore it once for my senior picture, so yeah, I'm finna just put that on because I said I want to learn how to do wigs this year anyways, so we just gonna practice. We just gonna reinstall it. So anyways, y'all, my face is breaking out bad. Like, I don't know what's causing it. I'm not really sure. Don't know what's going on, but planet fucking Jupiter on my chin here. That joint is so ugly. Like, okay, vlog, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I gotta keep my hair right here to block the light. HD wig caps I seen on TikTok. These are better. Y'all, I don't know, like, I've been seeing a lot of controversy about wig installs on TikTok today when I was doing my research, because I'm not really the wig install expert. But yeah, they was saying, some people was like, oh, my wig has to be sliding back, like my installs be better when I don't use them. But then I was seeing people say you might as well just go ahead and use a wig cap if you got like a lot of edges to push back. And I don't, but like, still, like, I don't want to take no chances for nothing. This adhesive spray, I just got this to match the glue. This is the glue that I got. I got an eyebrow razor for my lace, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows first because I didn't have time to get them done, but they look crazy and I can't really have no install with these crazy looking brows. I just can't do that. That just ain't gonna happen. I got this lace band. Last time I tried to do an install, this is only gonna be my second time doing it, but last time I tried to do an install and I had like a black colored lace band, it was getting stuck on my lace. Like, when I was pulling it up, like, it was black residue left on my lace, and I don't need that, so I just got a brown one. Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I got this in the color 14, but I'm finna go ahead and wash the glue off the lace like it said on TikTok. I don't know what style I want to do yet. I'm kind of leaning towards the little braid crown, but then again I'm kind of leaning towards the flip over, but then again I'm kind of leaning towards the half up half down, so I don't know, we'll see. But this hair is so soft. It's just a little tangle right now. I'm gonna let it soak and that's how I'm gonna wash it. But while that's soaking, I'm gonna wash and blow dry my hair. My hair color is so pretty. Like, people is really confused like if my hair was blue or purple, but my hair is dyed navy blue. It's just the braided hair color kind of tinted it purple, but I love this color. Like, it's really cute. It's dark, but it's not too dark. I wanted to go back dark from ginger, but I didn't want to go black, so Before I do all that I just said, I'm gonna do my eyebrows because they look absolutely insane. But I don't want to mess them up, so I'm gonna look at a tutorial first, y'all. Like, I don't know. I learned how to do everything that I know how to do off YouTube, TikTok, tutorials, anything. Like, I feel like my whole issue with the thing last time was, like, it was, like, messy. Like, it was just so messy. There's so much going on. So, this time I'm trying to keep it real clean. What Drake say? Clean as I can. Well, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I hope the God I am. Okay, so I got the wig sitting in my sink. Like, I know this isn't the best thing to do, especially when I just cleaned my bathroom, like literally just today. But it's okay. I'm gonna clean it back up. But anyways, I just put some deep conditioner in it so I can silken up the hair so it won't have as many naps and stuff. And I also went ahead and picked the rest of the glue out of the lace, and then I kind of just pushed the hair back. We got a process here so we can just keep going. So yeah, this is impulsive, but we gotta keep going. Okay, y'all, so I washed my hair and now I'm finna take the wig out the sink. I'm gonna just use this YouTube video for a more in-depth view of what I had to go through. Cause I feel like TikTok, it'd be cool, but y'all don't really be seeing the ins and outs of what I be having to go through. Like, it don't be all just breezy. I be struggling. I remember one time I had literally dyed my hair, right? This was this hairstyle. I'm gonna put it on the screen like a screenshot from a TikTok. I literally had put the ponytail in and it wasn't right. So I had to take the whole organic ponytail out of my head, and y'all know how tangled organic gets. And then, like, it wasn't right, so I had to sit right there and I had to rip the tracks from the black strip and straighten out the bundle so I could wrap the ponytail back around, and it still came out T. But y'all wouldn't know that. But anyways, yeah, it's just be trial and tribulation. So y'all, like, this hair is shedding. I guess it sheds when it's wet. I don't remember it shedding this bad before, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. I don't know. Y'all, when I'm doing that band for an hour, that's when I'll take a break to eat. Okay, so I blow dry my hair. I'll show y'all how I'm gonna put this hair in the towel. Ignore my in the water pants. That ain't nobody's business. So I'm gonna get 2 towels, 2 dirty towels. I'm gonna need to blow dry everybody's in the bathroom. It's safe, y'all. My cousin wouldn't do this if it wasn't safe. So yeah. Now I'm gonna just braid my hair up. This is the depressing part, but I gotta do it. Okay, I braided my hair. Y'all, I can't even lie, like, oh, I can't even lie, like, I sat right here and I be fussing at my clients like, oh, you know, like, it don't hurt, it don't hurt. I lied, it hurt, and these ain't even neat braids. It hurt, it hurt, it hurt. I lied. I'm sorry. I be hurting y'all. This is what it's looking like in the back. Oh. Y'all, just mind your business. The wig, this is what it's looking like. It's good enough. Okay, y'all, so I did my eyebrows. I feel so much better. Like, y'all can tell the difference. I just cleaned it with alcohol. That's why it's like really irritated. And I went ahead and got that mustache too, baby. But now we're gonna go ahead and slick these flat wigs back and put this wig cap on, y'all. I'm so excited, but I'm scared at the same time. But I'm excited, but I'm scared, but I'm excited. So that's all that matters. Y'all, if I look like this for real, would y'all still be my friend? Okay, y'all, I'm over here looking like Debo, but I just did a layer of this and I blow dried it. It's dry and clear, so I'm gonna do another layer just to make sure that it's stuck right there. Y'all, like, every time that I do a wig, my edges don't stay up. Like, they don't stay back. Like, you know how you're supposed to push your edges back? Y'all seen how I had did that? They never stay back. Every time, they never stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Sorry, y'all, for real. Come on now. I think it's sticking though, so I'm gonna do one more layer. I'm finna cut the cap on camera so y'all can see how this turned out for me. Because usually the caps don't be sticking for me, but this looks like it's stuck. Maybe I was just using them thick ass caps. Maybe that was the issue. But right now it's looking cool. It's looking cool. I don't know, it's looking cool. Okay. Okay. I ain't mad at it this time. It ain't do me too wrong this time. Y'all, hold on. The ball cap method working. So that means this finna be a good install on the guys. Y'all, and this is my first time ever reinstalling a wig. The first time that I installed a wig or attempted to, it was a new wig. So yeah, this is finna be a reinstall, and I didn't install it the first time. So we finna go along the lines of my cousin. Okay, y'all, this kind of stuck to my forehead. I might have did it a little bit too. Y'all, this is what I be talking about. This little dilemmas be coming in. Oh, baby, this junk is... Oh, but you ain't want to glue down like this last time. Oh, these HC caps don't play no games. You gotta know what you're doing. I'm gonna clean it off with alcohol. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. Anyways, yeah, I'm finna hot comb this back. And I'm finna put makeup on this and on this. So we finna try to make this disappear. We gonna see how we do. Yeah, so I think this color did really good. It looked weird on camera, but I swear, like, it looks like really good in real life. Like, but I'm finna cut these little pieces as you can see away. Okay, so I'm finna use like 4 or 5 layers of this active even lace glue. So this is just looking like so far. It's real on my forehead. But I'm gonna put the band for a little while and see how I'm gonna style it. Say hey to Kinsley. Hello. We just finna work with it. I put the wig on. I got the wig band on. It's killing my ears already, but it looks kind of crazy, y'all. So we're gonna see what we can do. I kind of think I want to do like a... I'm gonna put the wig band on there for real now. I had to pull the edges out. Yeah, so I cut some underwear. I cut a band. But now I'm gonna do a style. I gotta brush it out first because I can't do nothing with it like this, to be honest. I'm finna find my yeah. Yeah, so I got the band on. I am losing consciousness in my brain. I can't hear in this ear and it hurts, but we're gonna leave it on. I think I'm gonna do a half a cap down, just my ponytail, but I'm gonna see how that comes out because y'all know it'd be hard to put a ponytail in a wig, literally. But I'm not finna record myself struggle too much. Y'all can just see that at the end because I know I'm finna struggle the whole way through. So I'm finna brush it out and I'm finna try to style it, and I'll be back if it don't work. So here's what we look like. Band was on for like half hour. Not terrible, not terrible. So I'm finna like try to go ahead and cut my edges a little bit. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the band back on. So watch me do my edges. Let's try to. Use these sticks.
And the saying goes, life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's a replace.
Yeah, I think I did all right now. I can't go back to y'all. I'm just gonna use some loose in my edges. It's easy, and they still be fluffy.
I'm not dangerous when you're mine. I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready?
Yeah, I don't know, but I'm working on it. I can't contain my excitement right now. Oh yeah, this is super cute, I will say. Y'all, I'm just sitting right here making TikToks. I can't even lie, but it's gonna be 2 a.m. so I need to go to sleep. Cook. I need to go to sleep. And y'all, it ain't like it was an impulsive decision, but it ain't like it's just a little over bleach. Just a little over bleach. But lace barely. Lace barely. I ain't gonna say lace wear yet, but I'm gonna say lace barely. I gotta look cute tomorrow. I'm finna get in this closet. I'm finna see what this closet got going on, y'all. Yeah, I'm just a girl. Like, that's my excuse for everything. I'm just a girl. Okay vlog, so that's the end of this video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed me installing this wig so much. It's days later now, that's why we looking like this. I'm just sitting right here editing, and I realized I never recorded no outro, so here we are. I'm gonna try to keep like switching up the content for y'all, because I know vlogs can get boring sometimes because it's just like you're just watching me. So it's like I'm gonna try to switch it up to make it interesting for y'all. But yeah, the lace looking at y'all now. Just mind y'all business. It was cute while it lasted anyways. Yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all gonna see how I styled this wig up and, you know, changed it around and did my little do in the next video that's coming up, because that's gonna be a week in my outfits. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching once again, and I'll see y'all in the next video.